Hi everyone, it's Kris here from the design team, and I am back today with a video on how to make these cute and fun and quick handmade birthday cards using a Cricut pen for birthday wishes, and then also using the Cricut Foil tool to write some sentiments in your card. So if this interests you, stick around and we'll get started. We are going to be using the cut files from Printable Cuttable Creatables, the birthday balloons, and the single line birthday sentiments. So here we are at my blank canvas, and I'm going to go here to upload, and I'm going to upload the sentiments and the birthday balloons. So I'm adding that to canvas. Alright, so what I want here is we are going to block off one of the balloons. I just need one set. And then I'm going to be using wishing you an amazing birthday. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go here and I'm going to block off all the other ones that I'm not using. I might use this one actually, so we're going to ungroup those. Okay, we're going to put this one off to the side. So now we're going to go into shapes and create the shape of our card. So I sometimes like to use the square with the rounded corners. We'll use that one today. Alright, so I like mine to be a rectangle, so I'm going to unlock it here. And we're going to drag it out to about 10, and I think, let's do 10 by 9. 10, and then we'll do by 9. Perfect, and we're going to lock that in place. There we go. So now we have our card. I could even increase this to maybe 10.5. Okay, there we go. Next, I'm going to shapes again, and I'm going to take this one. This is the score. So I'm going to highlight that and highlight the score, and we're going to align it vertically and horizontally, and then I'm going to just make that one bigger because I want it to score all the way through. And there we go. And once again, I'm going to highlight both of them and align it vertically and horizontally. There we go. So now that's where our card is going to be folded. And so now I'm going to send this to the front. I like that. I think this would be cute. Send it to the front again. Oh. No. There we go. I think that would be cute right there on its own little thing. So I might add another shape. I'm going to bring this here. We're going to unlock it. And I think that would be good. Yeah. Maybe even a little bit smaller. Yep. And we're going to bring it to the front. Yeah, that's cute. We're going to change the color of this. We're going to change it to, let's put it as white. We'll put it as cream. We'll put the card as blue, let's see. That's fun. let's do light pink for now. Oh no, didn't want to do that. Okay, let's go back. Okay, so we're gonna change the card to light pink, I think. Yeah, okay, let's do that. And what I forgot to do was I forgot to attach my score line with my card. So we're going to line it up again, and we're going to attach. So that's attached, yeah, okay. So once again, we could bring this to the front. Okay. So I'm just going to put this on this side, even though we're going to fold it over. Then we're going to bring this to the front. Yeah. I think that's cute. And we're going to bring this to the front. And we're going to... Okay. We're going to bring those two, and then we're going to align them and vertically. There we go. And we're going to, the birthday wishes is going to, we got to switch it to a foil. And we'll do it as a fine foil. And then we're going to highlight the part behind it, and we're going to attach. So those two are attached now. So you could essentially put them here, here, wherever you want. All right. And this one, we're going to bring this one forward. So this is what's going to be written on the inside of the card, and we're going to make that just a little bit bigger. Yeah, right about there. Okay, and we're going to move, we'll keep that there. We got to go up to operation and switch that to foil. Let's see, bold. I think bold would be nice. Okay. So what I'm going to do is pull these off to the side. Actually, you know what? I think I'm going to do an offset on the balloons, because I want something to back those balloons up so it's easy for me to glue on. And we're going to just bring it smaller a bit. Yep. And like that. Yes, that's perfect. Okay. So I'm going to move this off to the side because that's not where they go. And I'm going to attach my words here to my card. Actually, I want to make my card a little bit smaller. There. Just adjusting the size, yeah. And that would go there, yeah. And this there. Yeah, I think that's perfect now. Okay. So there we go. Where I'm going to attach the words to the card now. So it's one go. There you go. So now we're going to send this to the Cricut machine and get cutting and foiling and get started on this birthday card. Alright, as you could see in this video here, on the left side I am inserting my scoring stylus, and on the right side I am taking my blade out and replacing it with the foil tool. And remember, I have that bold one in, so it's that 3-striped one. And don't worry, the Cricut machine tells you exactly what to do, when to do. So the machine's told me to load the scoring stylus and the foil tool. So I'm going to load my paper. And the first thing the machine is going to do is it's going to make the scoring line. Now my machine has stopped and it's told me to place the foil shiny side up onto my paper. So I'm lining it up, and I'm going to place a piece of tape on all 4 sides of the rectangle. Now, it's important to note here that the machine is also telling me to not take my mat out of the machine. So as you could see in the video, my mat has stayed stuck into the machine, and all I'm doing is pressing the go on my Cricut Maker. And now watch the magic happens as the foil tool does its magic. Alright, so now the machine has stopped and it's telling me to now take off the foil before it makes the cut for the rest of the card. So that's what you see me doing here, is I'm peeling off the foil gently. And I'm also switching out the foil tip for the fine point blade. And I'm just taking my scoring stylus out. And now you press go and the machine will finish the cut. And look how fun that is. So we've cut everything out on the Cricut, and now we are going to assemble it. So here's our card here. Here's our birthday wishes, and here's our balloons that I have. Oh, I'll use this one. I have them just laid out, and we're going to assemble it. So I have one assembled already, and I like having it layered and 3D looking. So what we're going to do is we're going to glue our strings on first. And give it a nice press. All right. Now I'm going to use my 3D dots, and I'm going to glue our lines on our balloon. So it's up to you if you want to add these lines onto your balloons. It's totally optional. I think it looks great without, but if you want to add them on. And so now I am adding the 3D dot stickers to the balloons, and for the green balloon I'm going to add a double layer to allow that balloon to stick up a little bit further than the rest of the balloons. So now we're going to take our card and we're going to fold it along the score line. We're going to place this on top. We're going to keep it straight. Add some more 3D dots. And then we're going to add the birthday wishes. And I have an idea. What I like to do is not waste the dot sheet, so I'm going to cut a strip that's a rectangle to match the birthday wishes shape. So that way you're using it all and not wasting any. And there you have this fun, cute, and quick birthday card that you've made. It's handmade with your amazing foil on the inside. It just ups the level of handmade. What I like to do is make a couple of them, and I have them on hand in case I have a birthday party to go to or want to send a birthday wish in the mail. I make a couple and I keep them in this file folder. I have different sections. I have Christmas, Easter, thank you cards, birthday cards. So when I'm ready to go somewhere, all I have to do is take a card out, sign it, and it's ready to go. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope that you enjoyed this. I hope that this gives you inspiration to make your own birthday cards, keep them on hand, and then you could pull one out when you're ready to go to a party.